Hi guys! Hi, Kaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today, meron akong ipapakita sa inyo guys, which tried it for the whole month talaga. So today, we're going to have a review of another rejuvenating set. This one is from Y Essentials. As you open the product, meron siyang soap, toner, day cream, and night cream. So basically guys, meron talaga itong soap na pink. Naubos ko na siya actually. Ang hindi ko pa naubos is yung toner kasi marami-rami yung toner. Ito pala guys, yung toner nila. Yan. Meron din silang pinadala na soap. Ito siya, kojic acid. I think this is the same with the soap na, yes, same pala. I think you can buy separate. Ganito, ito talaga siya guys. Yan. Pink din. Dalawa pala ang soap na nandito. Pero sa whole set ng package nila, sa rejuvenating set, isa lang yung soap. So, yan na. Meron sa package isang rejuvenating soap, isang toner, and night cream and day cream. Day cream is more on, ano siya, ang cute to. Gusto ko siya actually. Ang ganda ng packaging nila sa kanilang toner. And ang super cute ng packaging nila sa kanilang day and night cream. And maganda kasi to avoid contamination. Magandang ganito. Naubos ko na yung day cream nila kasi talagang ang dami kong nilalagay. Okay, before tayo magpunta sa pros and cons, I'm going to share to you yun nga, how to use this first. Alam nyo naman, I'm using rejuvenating set. Marami na akong na-review na rejuvenating set dito. So, I believe I'm credible enough to have a say on this product. First, morning and nighttime, use the soap. Second, yung toner. But for me personally, I only use toners at night, especially for rejuvenating set. And then nighttime, night cream. And daytime is the day cream. Day cream is more on SPF protection sa inyong muka. Basically, hindi talaga ako nagtutoner ng morning. But then, merong then. Usually, if I'm going to use rejuvenating set, 4 days pa lang, nagpipeel na siya. But then, on this product, walang peeling na nagaganap. Walang major na peeling. Mga after a week, merong peeling na nagaganap. A little lang, hindi talaga visible. So, you're safe if aalis kayo. But then, with sunscreen. Ang gusto ko sa kanya, yung toner niya, super ganda ng packaging. Super solid talaga siya. Maganda siya. Super sturdy niya. Yung pinakamalakas na claim nila is, meron yung product nila, merong sea salt. Pansin ko na meron peeling effect na nangyayari, but then super slight lang. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-apply ako ng toner morning. Pero, be careful with the toners ha, kasi yung mga toners kasi, peeling toners yon, especially, nagpipil talaga ang skin, especially for, rejuvenating set. Mostly sa mga nagamit ko ha, hindi siya ganong magandang gamitin sa daytime. Pero for me, nakakaya naman ang skin ko. It really depends on your skin. If natatansya nyo na need nyo siya ng morning, go for it. But then, please use an ample amount of sunscreen. So, we're going to go for the benefits muna. What are the benefits that you can achieve and this? Sinasabi dito kasi meron din silang note na pinadala, mga love letters, mga guides. Sa rejuvenating set nila, meron talagang mga guides which is super cool. So, nilagay dito is Y Essential Skin Rejuvenation Kickstarter. So, the first and the only local brand in the Philippines that uses sea salt water to fight acne causing bacteria, restore skin natural pH balance, exfoliates to remove skin impurities, prevents skin infection, and promotes a whiter, brighter, and younger looking skin. Claim nila na intensive whitening treats acne and pimples, lightens melasma, rejuvenate and exfoliate, lightens dark spots and scars, tighten pores, antioxidants, reduce visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, smoothens and moisturize skin. But I can attest on treating acne and pimples. Hindi naman lahat ako super oily ng skin ko. But then, parang na-minimize niya yung appearance ng pimples ko. Though, I'm very prone to small bumps. Kaya, gumagamit talaga ako ng inaano ko siya sa face ko, binababad ko siya ng matagal, not super tagal ha, kasi nadadamage din yung skin nyo. Ano lang, mga 30 seconds. Ang roll ko talaga mostly sa mga soaps is 60 seconds. But, if hindi naman siya mahapde, pwedeng 1 minute rule. Inaano ko siya sa face ko, nilalather, and then, after the toner pag night. Pag daytime naman, hindi ko siya binababad ng matagal. Lightens dark spots. Yes, it did lighten some dark spots, but then matagal-tagal siya mag-fade kasi nga sinasabi ko sa inyo na hindi ganong nagpipeel, nagre-react yung skin ko regarding dito. So, I was thinking na maybe mild to na rejuvenating set for me. Titan Spores, hindi ako makaka-attest ng Titan Spores, but when it comes sa skin whitening, meron naman akong nakakita, so it's okay for me. Ang pinaka gusto ko lang talaga sa kanya is yung claim nila na sea salt can fight acne causing bacteria, kasi nga I'm very prone to acne, and right now my major problems is small bumps. Kudos to this night and day cream talaga. And ang ano ko lang is, please damihan nyo naman yung day cream kasi ang bilis niyang maubos. Kasi marami talaga akong nilalagay, especially sensitive skin, gumagamit na ng rejuvenating set. If rejuvenating set, meron talagang peeling na nangyayari, so we need to protect our skin, kaya mas gusto ko yung maraming day cream. But then, kung gusto nyo naman siguro, meron naman siguro silang sinisale na day cream siguro na mas marami-rami yung laman. And by the way, the price of this is this. Please check Y Essentials for their rejuvenating set. I super love their soap and their day cream. And it smells like strawberry. And pala, wala akong gaanong nafe-feel na tingling effect. Hindi siya mahapdi sa mukha ko. Mahapdi siya pag ibababad nyo ng matagal, of course. But then, yung casual lang na sabon, ano siya. What I really love, again, is their toner. Hindi talaga siya. Hindi siya mahapdi for me. Mahapde konti, but for some sensitive skin, siguro mahapde, but then for me, hindi. Kasi sanay ako sa mga super strong. Nag-peel off siya ng konting-konti, mga 1 week of using this one. But, first, second, third, and fourth day, walang peeling na nagaganap. Ewan ko ba anong nangyari sa face ko, walang peeling na nagaganap. Meron din akong parang na-catch yung attention ko kasi meron silang nilagay dito na cruelty-free. So, we advocate non-animal testing. Pero kudos ha, ang ganda ng packaging nila sa toner kasi hindi nagsispill yung product. Yung ibang, meron kasi ding ibang product na yung packaging nila, nasi-squeeze yung lalagyanan ng toner and maybe nagbo-burst during delivery o courier services, kaya siguro pumuputok siya or nadadamage. And sometimes pagdating, wala nang laman kasi damage yung dito. But then dito, ang sturdy ng packaging nila ng toner, which is super safe. And gusto ko siyang, mostly if merong toner, if super masakit siya pag-apply pa lang, night ko lang siya ginagamit. Ito, day and night ko siyang ginagamit. So, for me, this is, for my skin lang ha, hindi ko na sinasabi sa inyo. Iti-test nyo muna if ano ba siya. Malalaman nyo naman yan, di ba? If hanggang kailan nyo matotolerate yung half day if meron man. But for me, ginagamit ko talaga siya morning and night time. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And bye-bye for now. Sarangel. Wala ng heart.